The secret, I don't feel my life the same. I thought if I detached, it will help me with my pain. I don't wanna do this, it isn't very hard. The only thing you need to do, press the button and restart. You cannot believe me and no one can explain, but I'll become the person that you met in our first date. I'll be nice and gentle and funny once again, except that I'll forget you and everything we share. There's something on your mind, and isn't that the reason why I say I will forget your birthday, I will forget your love. I also don't remember our fight and how it was. We're starting all over, we'll be again friends. But will it make some difference or will ruin our chance? Do you really want to restart of a crusade? Or maybe I just need to review my own fate. Remind you one and only, don't think that I'm bad. I'm only be confused about some changes in my head. Should I always think there's something on your mind? And isn't that the reason why I say goodbye? Should I always think there's something on your mind? And isn't that the reason why I say goodbye? Should I always think there's something on your mind? And isn't that the reason why I say goodbye?
and the city calling, creeping, the darkness falling. Baby, tonight being on. Turn on the favorite song. Don't my favorite thing. Don't fear anything. Speed up, leave by the night till the morning light. Even if the night is starless, I don't need sunrise, 'cause I have your eyes. Drive until we reach skyline. All we have for real is time. Speed up, leave by the night till the morning light.